Welcome to Dwara Kshetriya Gramin Financial Services. Hello all, wondering about HR assistance and wallet HR? We are here for a better solution to your HR related problems. Do not worry. Let us learn to use Wallet HR. Wallet HR provides geofencing. Employees can punch attendance easily from their mobile application. It comes with different employee-friendly modules like attendance, EIP, expenses, HR and FM help desk, loan, employee voice modules, exit module, appraisal and travel management modules. Let's see a demo of Wallet HR. To log in Wallet HR web version, we need to go with the URL www.dwarakjfs.wallethr.com. Then we need to fill the user ID and password. After clicking to login, we will land on the home page of Wallet HR. In the Wallet HR dashboard, you can see different official announcements, service anniversaries, wedding anniversaries, birthdays, and new joiner intimation pan-India. Here, you can also find the web punch-in desk from where you can punch in or out your attendance. So let's get started with our very first module, that's attendance module. In attendance module, you can see two options, My Requests and My Reports. In My Request, you can see event request, access time request and web punch. From event request, you can request your supervisors for leave or any other deviation. Click to event request and the date can be selected for the events you are requesting. You can go to apply event and can apply for the type of leave you are willing for. There are multiple types of leave like casual leave, sick leave, privilege leave, maternity, paternity. You can apply on leave and click to save button. In My Record option, you can see in or out records, events, event balance and holiday list. Let's check the holiday list uploaded for you for the year right. Go to the holiday list, select the year. Now you can view the holiday list for the complete year. Now let's take a tour to another module, that is EIP. In EIP, we have 5 heads: EIP, pay details, TDS, magazines and videos. Under EIP, you can see internal job posting, my policies, my profile and gallery. Let's see what's stored in my policy option. Once you click to my policy, we will land to a page where we can find all the policy on a single platform. Policies like Employee Code of Conduct. You can simply click the view button and see the policies present in the Employee Code of Conduct. You can click to view option and view the particular policy. There are other policies also present under My Policy options like Employee Voice, HR Help Desk, HR Manual. Now let's see the other head of Employee Information Portal, that is My Profile. Under My Profile, you can see company details, statutory details, bank details, assets, academic qualification, documents uploaded, previous employment, personal detail, family details, others, new field, employee review and forms. You can also edit the details present under My Profile. Go to Edit option click on the blank space and you can upload the documents you want. Then simply click the save button to save the changes you have made in the employee information portal. Now let's see other options present in employee information portals like gallery, pay details. Under pay details, you can see the pay sheets and the tax sheets. You can also download your pay slips and tax sheet. Now let's take a tour to our other module, that is appraisal module. Under appraisal module, you can find self-rating. Under self-rating, you will be able to view your KRA and you will be able to rate yourself at the time of self-appraisal. Now let's move on to our next module, that is expense module. Under expense module, you will be able to do your claim entry. Just click to the claim entry. You will be able to add the entries, expense type, expense month, and you can add all the details like bill number, bill date, claim amount, description, and click to the save button to save your entry. Our next module is an exit module. In exit module, you will be able to do the resignation entry. You need to fill the details present in the form like requested relieving date, reason of leaving, notes. You have to drop your handwritten resignation letter and seek the entry to file your resignation. Under employee voice module, you can raise grievances. Nature of grievance can be feedback, whistleblower, sexual harassment, code of conduct, or suggestion. You can also upload a document if required and click to the submit button. Under HRFM Help Desk, you can raise tickets seeking for help related to HR and facility management. Go to raise ticket, select the category like change in information, payroll query, SVP or incentive query, employee insurance, employee loans and advances, claims and reimbursement, and general grievances. You can select the severity level like high, medium, and low. You can also upload the document if required and click to the save button. Our next module is a loan module. Go to loan request, fill the form of the loan request. An employee is eligible for salary advance after completing 6 months, and for the loan, he needs to complete 1 year of a service tenure. You can fill the form and click to the save button. Our last module is the travel management module. under which you can see travel management, travel expense, reports and general expenses. In travel management module, you can plan your travel. Click to plan. Click to add. You can click to travel type and select the travel types. After selecting it, you can click to the save button. This is how you can plan your travel and claim it. In the dashboard of the Wallet HR, you can find the calendar. After clicking the calendar, you can see your attendance. You can also regularize the single punches. Click to regularization. Select the regularization type. Go to remarks. Select full day, half day, first half or second half. Fill the remarks or any issues which are there for regularization and submit. An employee is allowed to regularize twice a month. So you cannot regularize your attendance more than 2 times in a particular month. So now we have completed our tour to Wallet HR. So let's get started from today. Thank you so much.